it's Henry
at Mowers and Blowers.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good afternoon. Gorgeous day here in Huntington, Long Island. I'm in the middle of a lot of projects, but I'm taking a break to do a review. My friends over at Kingso sent me a fire pit. Now, I've always wanted a fire pit, right? But I do have a fireplace in my house, but I've always liked to have a fire pit in my backyard or something. You know, kids can cook s'mores and, you know, I can get rid of some branches and wood and stuff and burn it up on a chilly night, you know? So I always wanted one, but just never got around to getting one, you know? So, very happy to do a review on this Kingso fire pit. Got it in the mail about 2 or 3 days ago. Just been so busy I wasn't able to do a review. So I sliced this open just before I put the camera on, and pretty straightforward. It's pretty straightforward. It's a box with a pit in it. Just gonna pull this out and show you guys what it looks like and see how easy it is or how hard it is to put together. Okay, this is what we're working with here. Well packaged, you know, they put this here so it doesn't rumble around. Nuts and bolts and an Allen along with a Phillips. This is a ring bezel. This is obviously the place where you can put your, actually you can cook hamburgers here too, huh? And hot dogs. Not hot dogs, hot dogs. There's the, I would say this is the cover, wouldn't you say? And it is obviously steel, lightweight. Instructions? Forget about it. It's straightforward, right? And we got this wok. It's not a wok. This is the bottom part, I guess. All right. I assume there's going to be legs and stuff around here. Oh, there's another ring. Oh, look what it comes with, fellas. It comes with a, what do they call this? You know, you use it to move the logs around and stuff. Poker. It's got another ring on the very bottom, okay? And on this bottom ring, we've got the legs over here with a zip tie. So I'm gonna cut this zip tie off, loosen up the legs, and we're gonna put this baby together with hopefully just those tools. But you know what? I might have to use my impact just to do it faster. Got the legs there. I'm gonna try to do this without reading the instructions. I'm not gonna, I'm gonna. I don't know. Maybe I might have to. I would assume that this is gonna go like that. Of course, these are double holes here. Why would you need double? Oh, there we go. See, if you look at the legs, right? It's double holes here, single hole there. Would you put this on the inside? It doesn't really fit if you put it on the inside. Put it on the outside. Then do you put this on the inside or the outside? It doesn't look like you can do that. So I'm gonna line this up, put some screws in there, and not tighten it yet. there you go. According to time-lapse, it only took exactly 53 seconds to put this together. In reality, it was like 5 or 6 minutes. You know what I mean? No big deal. The top loop here, so you can pick it up. You have to put a 10mm screw through there. They're all 10mm because they're from China. They don't use 3/8, they use 10mm. This bowl just goes right over here. Grill goes right in there. 2 on the second tier, 1 on the top tier. And I had 2 left over. I guess it's in case you lose one, you got spares, because there ain't no more holes where you can stick these bolts and nuts to. So when you put this on, right, it doesn't really match the diameter of the ring. See, that's why it moves around. It's not exactly the same, so this moves around a lot like this. And when you put the cover on, there's no clear area where, you know, because look, the bezel is not indented enough, deep enough to hold it from moving around. So this thing, you gotta just like make sure it's there, but the minute you touch it, it'll move, you know? It doesn't match the hole. It rolls around like that. So that is not very precise. I mean, you know, it's not expensive, you know, and it's lightweight, cheap. And this is called a poker. So that's it. I'm gonna go pick up some branches around my area and crumple up some newspaper, and let's fire it up. Okay, this is as good a place as any. This area here, I had all my snow blowers parked for the winter, and since I sold them all because of all our snow we got this year, it's just space here without any grass that grows because it's all dirt, you know. So as you guys saw, I crumpled some newspaper and put it underneath some twigs and branches that I found in my yard. I'm gonna light the newspaper in different areas. You know, that's your fire starter, right? And then kindle, you know, tinder. You need kindle and tinder to start the flames off first. Not that I'm an expert or Boy Scout or anything like that, but if you have a fireplace, you kind of learn how to burn wood, you know. Then once the little branches start burning, right, you can put smaller pieces of wood on there to get it going, and then go to medium-sized logs, and then you can eventually get bigger logs as long as the flame's huge, you know. So this burns the branches to help it ignite the small pieces of wood. Today is 60 degrees. Kind of a strange time for me to be building a fire, but you know, I wanted to try it, you know. So this will be good for days where it's a cool evening. Oh, see, I didn't want to do that. Now you use your poker so you can move the logs to a place you want it to be. There we go. And then cover it up. See, so that's the only bad thing I would say about this, is that it doesn't stay there, you know. That's it. So there it is. Fire's burning nice on a nice cool evening. You and your friends can sit around the fire, toast marshmallows, make s'mores, have a couple of beers and talk. So it's very cool. I always wanted one, you know, and I'm glad that they sent me this for a review. You know, it does its job, you know what I mean? I've seen these things for about $100 over at Walmart or Lowe's. But you can get this on Amazon.com for $49.99 free shipping, meaning you pay 50 bucks, they send it to your doorstep. Took 5 minutes to put together, and you know, it does what it needs to do. It encompasses everything that you need, including a poker, you know. Check the link on the bottom of my description for any promo codes that I might have to save you a few bucks. Thanks a lot to Kingso for this 22-inch outdoor fire pit. It's great. Thanks a lot for joining me on this review video. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey guys, John over here at Turning Wrenches, and we'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.